About 6 months ago, I reviewed TCL 655 or R655 mini LED TV. Today, I'm going to share with you the calibration settings. So you power on the TV and, play whatever. Let's go to Netflix and play something. And let's say we play this, just play something. I'm going to mute the sound just to make it easier. So you press the start button on the remote, and then you go to picture settings, press OK. Make sure the TV brightness under the darkest one, which is darker. Picture mode, make sure it's under movie. And then you go to customize picture. Press enter. And go down, 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 down. Go to export settings. Press enter. I leave my local contrast to be high. Action smoothing off, obviously. Action clarity off. Let motion clarity also turn off. And I use 2.4 gamma correction. Yes, this will crush the black a little bit, but it's only a very little bit. The 2.4 is actually very close to 2.2. I put noise reduction to low. The only reason is because I still use a lot of streaming, and sometimes, and actually quite often, streaming requires a little bit of noise reduction. Now for color temperature, now this is the meat and potatoes of this video. Press enter, color temperature, preset, you go to warm, and then from there, here are the numbers, right? At 100%, 90%, 80%, 70%, 60%, and when you use it, it's gonna look like this, right? There, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and for bonus one, there's 5. But I don't put anything over there. But that's basically it. So play around with it. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, well, you can always reset it, right? All right. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.